After all the buzz around Ionic Air Purifiers, I had to see what Lab Charge was all about. My friends couldn't stop raving about it.
Designed to produce a cleaner, fresher atmosphere in your home.
Even my mom's book club was talking about them. Just got mine a week ago, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. My second one's already on the way. Did you know they're from Houston, Texas? Super quick delivery. Got mine in just 2 days with no shipping fee. And can we talk about their 2-year warranty? I mean, who else offers that? I scoured the internet, but Lab Charge is truly unmatched. The quality blew me away. Aluminum body, sleek design, and guess what? No filters. Yep, it's an Ionic Purifier, which means no constant filter replacements. And it's got this nifty USB mini port. Oh, and this ring? It's an LED light that tells me the air quality green and blue when the air's just right. For those wondering about the basics, no, it doesn't emit ozone gas. Yes, it needs to be plugged in. And it's a steal at just $35.91. Pet odors? Gone. Smoke smell? Vanished. Mold spores? Adios. I get why they've sold over 180,000 units and have all those glowing 5-star reviews. So, to everyone who asked about my air purifier, this one's a solid 10 over 10. Thanks, Lab Charge, for making our homes feel cleaner and fresher.